Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make this color chromatic aberration glitch effects in CapCut. So first just add your clips, and in here I'm using two clips. So click on the second clip, go to animation and find the rock horizontal animations under the in category. Okay, this one, click on a check icon and now go to the video effect, click on the glitch and select chromatic, put it under the second clip like this, and now click on object and choose all videos. Okay, so now add keyframe at the start and also the end of the effect. So at the start, adjust the intensity into 100, and on the second keyframe at the end, lower it to 50. Okay, click on a check icon and now click on the transition box, click on glitch, then select the color glitch transition, this one. Okay, next you need to add the neon effect, so go to the video effect, find the call me category and then select this neon effect, click on a check icon, then make it shorter than the first effect and put it in between the clips like this. Okay, so click on object again and click on all videos. Now add keyframes at the start of the effect, in the middle, and also the end. So at the start, adjust the atmosphere to 0, on the second one 60, then on the last one back to 0. Okay, click on a check icon and now go to the video effect again, opening and closing, and select the oblique blur effect. Okay, this one, click on the check icon and put it under the neon effect like this. Adjust the blur to 30 and the rotate to 80. Okay, click on a check icon. Lastly, you need to add the camera shake effect, so it can be found under the nightclub category. Okay, this camera shake, adjust the range and the speed to 20. Okay, now click on a check icon and put it like the first effect. Okay, like this, and now you are done, and this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.